Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that revision is going on and we have started the revision of writing skills in which we have discussed short writing skills, short writing skills. As of now we have discussed short writing skills in which notice writing, advertisement writing and invitation writing will be there. And from the last video we have started long writing skills under which letter to editor, job application and report and debate writing is there. Speech, report and debate writing is there. So today in this video we are going to discuss report writing. Okay dear students, in long writing skills, today in this video we are going to discuss report writing. Okay, so let us begin. As we all know, we have already gone through report writing, so we know that report is written for any past event which already had taken place. We give report on that event. So report is written in past tense. The format of report: first we write title and then byline. So now let me share a PPT with you. Let me show you a PPT on your screen and let us discuss each and everything with solved examples of report. Let us begin. So let us begin report writing. So we all are aware that there are two kinds of reports: newspaper reports and magazine reports. A report answers what happened, where it happened, when it happened, why it happened, and who involved, who were the people involved in the event. Features of a report: report should be written in third person. Avoid use of first person. So whenever we write a report, so we must write it in third person and avoid using the first person pronouns. Preferably use the passive form of the verb. So you should prefer using passive form of the verb. Use simple but precise and formal language. And it comes under formal writing, so it should be simple, precise and formal language. Report only facts in order to which they happened. Only fact should be described in which order they took place. In the same order they are supposed to be described. Quote comments, views of people present, etc. And word limit for writing report is 150 to 200 words. Content organization of a newspaper report: first, headline. Headline should be bold, catchy and suggestive of the news item. After headline, byline, name of the reporter, designation, then place, date, then contents, para 1, answer the 5 W's: what, where, when, why and who. In para 2, details of the event and action taken. In para 3, comments, views of a witness, participating VIPs, etc. you must mention in para 3. Content or organization of a magazine report. Headline should be bold, catchy and suggestive of the news item. Byline, name of the reporter, designation. Contents in para 1, answer the 5 W's: what, where, when, why and who. Para 2, details of the incident and action taken. Para 3, comments, views of witness, participant, VIP. What kinds of reports are there in your syllabus? Robbery, accident, calamity, civic problem, cultural sports event, competitions, workshops, seminars, talk, rally drive campaign, rally drive campaign, camp, visits, exhibitions. Now let us discuss them one by one. Robbery, accident, calamity, civic problem. In such types of reports, catchy headline, its expansion in the last line, reason, motive if any should be. These things you are supposed to mention. Catchy headline should be there, its expansion if required, reasons, motive if any, details in brief, eyewitness account, casualties, damage, etc. if any, action taken, relief measures if applicable, reactions of people, police, administration, hospitals, locals, etc. Then conclusion and comments. In cultural sports event, occasion, sponsor, organizer, date, venue, time, chief guest, special invitees, these things to be mentioned, objectives and main highlights of the program, prize distribution, annual report must be mentioned, message of the chief guest, dignitary and vote of thanks in the end of report must be mentioned. Report regarding competitions, occasion or organizer should be mentioned first, then date, time, venue, objectives, name of the competitions, topic, level, if any, participation. Next, mention about name of the competitions, level, topic, we have discussed it. Then chief guest, judges, etc. Highlights related to performance, result, etc. Prize distribution, experts' comments, vote of thanks, overall effects. So dear students, these are the various types of reports we are discussing. They are written for either for newspaper or for magazines. So according to the report, we need to mention the information, we need to give the detail. Letter. Next types of report: workshops, seminars, talks, in which you should start such reports with date, time, venue. Then you need to mention the name of guest speaker, panel of speakers, activities undertaken, aids used, literary or field activities if any, interactive session, question answer round, etc., experts' comments, vote of thanks, overall effect. So these things should be mentioned. The next type of report, dear students, rally drive campaign. First, you should mention what, by whom, for whom the rally or drive or campaign took place. Then date, time and venue. Then what is the objective, motto for the same. Activities undertaken, any display placards, banners, pamphlets used, literary or field activities if any, special remarks by the dignitary or a chief guest, vote of thanks, overall effect, success. Next report is about camp, visits or exhibition, in which you must mention place, destination, organizer, sponsor if any, aim, objective, duration, dates, number of visitors, people involved, description as applicable, theme of the exhibition, places and sightseeing, food, facilities, purpose and nature of camp activities undertaken, overall response. So in such types of report, camp, visits and exhibition, you are supposed to mention all these details in this sequence. Now, format of the notice: headline, title, then by, name of the reporter, place, date, what happened, how it happened, why it happened, in which people involved, reactions, then in answer to question why, reasons, effects, direct involvement, whether activities highlight, people involved, reactions, comments, evidences, indirect involvement, comments, action taken, consequences. So all these things you are supposed to mention in a report. Now let us go through the solved example to understand it better. As you can see, it's a report on World Environment Day by Bharti, President, Environment Club. So first of all, dear students, you are supposed to write the heading, title. It should be in capital. Your title should be in capital. Then byline, by whom, and designation. Sun Public School, Lucknow celebrated the World Environment Day on June 5, 2007. Various activities were held during the day, including a seminar on unplanned cities. So here, dear students, in the first paragraph, you can see details, introduction regarding your report has been given. Now second paragraph, the keynote address was delivered by Mr. Ravi Shankar, Chairman CPCBC, on the topic Sustainable Cities. He highlighted the need for smaller cities to reduce pressure on resources. An essay writing competition was conducted on the theme Clean Cities, Green Cities. Poster making, elocutions, street plays, and clay modeling competitions were also organized. The purpose of the competitions was to unearth hidden talent and channelize them to meet the environmental challenges for the present and the future. A green march was also organized, which was flagged off by the Honorable Minister for Forest and Environment. The students participated in the various activities enthusiastically and vowed to save the environment for a green and happy future. So dear students, as you have seen in the first paragraph, introduction, then give the details regarding what happened, where happened, who took the part. Okay, in a sequence of the events, you need to mention each and everything. Then conclusion. Next, bus collides with a gypsy by Nisha. Meerut, 16th April, it's a newspaper report. It's a newspaper report. Okay. And the last report which we have just gone through, it's a magazine report. It's a magazine report. Okay, dear students, so you should know the difference, how we should write a magazine report and how we should write a report for a newspaper. Bus collides with a gypsy by writer's name Nisha. Place, then date, Meerut, 16th April. A bus collided head-on with a Maruti gypsy on the Meerut bypass road yesterday night at 11:40 p.m. The accident occurred as both the vehicles were being driven at very high speed. So here, dear students, in the first paragraph you have seen that you have given the details where the accident took place and between what type of vehicles were there. Okay. Now give the details which you witnessed there. The driver of the bus was booked for rash and negligent driving, while the driver of the Maruti Gypsy fled from the spot. The impact of the collision was so bad that the front of the Gypsy was completely smashed up. Since it was late at night, most of the passengers were fast asleep and were rudely awakened by the impact. Some of them hit their heads against the seats in front and were bleeding profusely. Fortunately, the Gypsy was unoccupied and there were no casualties. The injured were taken to the nearby government hospital. There was no sign of any police patrol van at the site. Highways are largely neglected and better policing needs to be managed meticulously. Errant drivers should get stringent punishment. Their driving license should be impounded and they should not be allowed to drive again. Until we take strict measures, such accidents on roads will keep on recurring. So first of all, dear students, in a report writing, whether it is for a magazine or it is for newspaper, first of all we should mention the place and time where it happened, when it happened. Then we are supposed to give the detail. If such types of reports are there which are to be published in newspaper, we can also give the suggestion in the last paragraph that what required to be done by authority, how the authority can take actions on this. Next is a report for magazine. Sports Day celebrated by Ravi Shankar, Sports Secretary. So this report is for magazine. While writing a report, you must mention the name of the reporter and his designation. GNPS hosted the annual Sports Day at the Jawahar Nehru Stadium on Saturday, February 6, 2005. The ground wore a festive look with tracks marked afresh and colorful buntings at the periphery of the center field. The event saw a spirited participation of over 1200 children from classes 1 to 12. Mr. G. Sani, ACP Northwest, was the chief guest. He lighted the torch and declared the meet open. The event began with a colorful march passed by the four houses and rounded off by a series of brilliantly performed drills. Some novel items included medley of aerobic exercises, pyramid formation, hop, step and jump, caterpillar race, which was specially designed to test the balance, coordination, rhythm and concentration of the athletes. The spectators sat, memorized, and as number of items followed one after the other and enthralled everybody. The program ended with prize distribution. The winners were awarded cups, trophies, and medals. In her vote of thanks, the principal, Mrs. G.P. Pradhan, thanked everybody and said sports is the best way to channelize youth. Okay, so it's all about the report. It's a magazine report about a sports day celebration which took place in your school. So in the first paragraph you are supposed to give the place and time where it took place. Okay, then in the next paragraph you are supposed to mention all the events which took place in annual sports celebration and who was the chief guest, how did it end. So each and everything you need to mention in a proper sequence in your report, as you can see in these solved examples. Next, book fair. The 8th International Book Fair was organized at Pragati Maidan on 10th December 2019 to 17th December 2019. It was a real treat for all the book lovers. The theme of the fair was books for all and all for books. So now you are writing a report on a book fair which held in Pragati Maidan in Delhi. As we all are aware that every year International Book Fair is held in Pragati Maidan. The fair held for a week at the centrally air-conditioned halls with state-of-the-exhibition facilitates was a wonderful opportunity. Once again, look at the second paragraph where you have to mention details about the fair. The fair held for a week at the centrally air-conditioned halls with state-of-the-art exhibition facilities was a wonderful opportunity for the book lovers to get acquainted with the new titles and also keep abreast of the developments taking place in this field. The fair was marked by a large number of workshops and seminars as well. It served as a platform for various launches and releases, as many of 250 participants, including booksellers, publishers, distributors and manufacturers of teaching aids and audio visual materials displayed their publications and materials. Besides fiction, there were business, education, scientific, technical and reference books of all kinds. The fair also showcased strides in the field of printing technology and new forms of books, such as books and encyclopedia available of CD-ROMs. The fair was a major hit as people, especially the school children, thronged in large numbers to see it and purchase books of their choice. So it's all about report writing, dear students, which we have mentioned, and various types of reports here you have came across you have come across. So we have discussed all about the reports, how we should write a report for newspaper and how we should write a report for magazine. With examples we have gone through. So I hope this is helpful for you. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video with a new topic.